Hello guys! Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng Nokia 105. Yan, nabili ko for 1,050. Yan yung luma kong cellphone. Di na nag-go-on. Yan, so may kasama siyang charger. So plug G and micro USB. Yan, may battery pero walang headset. Manual, English and Chinese. Meron siyang wireless FM radio. Tapos 12 hours yung talk time niya, 22 days standby time, 1.8-inch display. Meron siyang LED torch, may games. And then can store 2,000 contacts and 500 SMS. And it uses standard SIM card. Yung SIM card ko kasi medyo matagal na to, 2009 pa. Sininok siya. After unboxing, ginugupit ko talaga yung wavy. I-try natin yung LED torch, yung flashlight. Pay naman, maliwanag. Next is yung radio. Check natin. Yun lang. Bye. Thanks for watching.